Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to block or delete a customer in Wave. This is perfect for cleaning up old records or managing problematic clients. Let's jump in. First, log into your Wave account using your credentials, and then head over to the sales menu that's on the left hand side. There you're going to click on customers, and it's going to show you a list of all of your customers' profiles. Now just find the customer that you want to remove or block and click on their name to open up their profile. Now it's important to note that Wave doesn't have a block feature in the traditional sense. You can't prevent someone from sending payments, but you can delete their profile to stop creating new transactions with them. To delete a customer, all you got to do is click the small edit button that's in the top right corner of the customer profile page, and then scroll down, and at the bottom click delete customer. Wave will only allow you to delete a customer if they don't have any outstanding invoices, payments, or transactions. If they do, you either have to archive those transactions or manually reassign them before deletion. If you just want to avoid using them going forward, another option is to add a tag like inactive to the names or note fields. That way you can filter them out when managing active clients. And that's how you manage customers you no longer need in Wave. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.